talking about family and hanging out. Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Ryan. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Tell me about your family.
Sure. There are 4 people in my family: my parents, my sister, and me.
What do your parents do?
My father is a teacher, and my mother works as a nurse. How about your parents?
My dad is an engineer, and my mom is a small business owner.
That's nice. What do you usually do with your family?
We often have dinner together and watch movies on weekends. How about you?
We like going to the park and having a picnic.
That sounds fun. Do you hang out with your family or friends more?
Both. I hang out with my family during the day and meet my friends in the evening.
That's cool. We should hang out together sometime.
Sure. Let's plan something soon.